Hey class, I just wanted to update you on an item here. A number of your classmates had problems with the lab quiz one on laboratory safety. And the problem was that they were only allowed one attempt. And so I tried several ways to address this with your classmates so that they can have three attempts as others of you have had. I was not successful, and so what I did to address this was that I created on the Canvas page a Lab Quiz 1B on laboratory safety. This is a copy of Lab Quiz 1, which many of you already completed, okay? This copy here only has two attempts, being that you already completed one attempt, okay? So that's my way of addressing the issue where some of your classmates were only allowed one attempt for this quiz. What that means is that I have to go into the gradebook and manually ensure that your highest score is reported for each one of you in this particular lab quiz. Okay. If you already completed lab quiz 1 and you'd like to try lab quiz 1B, that's certainly fine. Again, I will make sure I will go in the gradebook manually to ensure that your highest score for lab quiz 1 or lab quiz 1B on laboratory safety is included in your grade